most of the time, these types of messages or notification are possible cyber threats. But what actually is a cyber threat?
Cyber threat or cybersecurity threat is a malicious act that aims to damage, steal, or disrupt any data. If an individual is attacked by cyber threats, it can result in identity theft, loss of sensitive personal data, and usually financial harm.
One of its examples is phishing. This is a malicious act wherein a sender may be disguised as your company or bank, sends a link that will be their gateway to collect data or steal money. Here's an example.
Ay nak, kumain ka na ba? Luto na yung ulam doon, kain ka na.
Mamaya na lang po, may nakasked pa po kasi na meeting ngayon.
Sige nak, iitin mo na yung ulam pagkakain ka na.
Ha? Ano to? May 5 minutes pa naman ako, sagutan ko muna to. Ha? Ano to? Wala na akong pera. Pa, tignan mo to.
Cyber threat is what we call phishing. This cyber threat is what often happens to people. This is because individuals who do these kinds of malicious acts use advanced features of technology such as AI to disguise themselves and scam people online. Oftentimes, their intentions are about stealing money, just like our example earlier.
Try not to be a victim of phishing scams. If you ever receive any notifications or messages just like in our example earlier, it is best to verify if the message is legit. If unsure, block the unknown message or notification.
If you want more contents like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for today. Adios, amigos!